Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline and today's going to be my first ever try-on haul video, and the outfits that I'm gonna be trying today are all from Zaful. Those who don't know, Zaful is an online clothing brand with super affordable clothes, accessories, shoes, almost everything, and they're really famous for bikinis, so don't forget to check them out. Thanks a lot to Zaful for sending me all this cool stuff, but just to let you know guys, this video is not sponsored. I am not paid to tell you guys anything, so all the opinions will be 200% mine. Oh, and also I have taken a lot of cool photos with some of the outfits, so I will be adding those in the video as well. So let's get started. Okay, we'll start from one of my favorite pieces, and it's a cropped ripped sweatshirt in mustard. I love this piece so much. There's a little rip thing going on at the back and also a little bit near the neckline at the front. I love this piece so much. It's super casual and cute. You can pair this one with sweatpants, a skirt, a pair of shorts. Literally this will go with every single bottom that you already have in your closet, so I think this is a must-have. Of course you can go with different colors. There's black, there's white. I don't know what it is, but bright colors have been a thing. You will see people pairing bright colors in contrast, and so mainly to pair it with the hoodie, I got this green mini checked pleated skirt, and this is how it looks like together. I am so in love with the combo. It looks so vibrant and fresh. Like, this kind of look serves me energy to keep going, if you know what I mean. The only thing I'll have to say is you might have to go a size up. Although this is a mini skirt, it's too short for me. Like, if I go down, you can literally see everything. Although that's shorts underneath, it's a little bit tight for me. Like near the V-line, it's tight as F, so you might have to go a size up. Because the shorts really tight for me, it's pulling from the bottom, and near my waistline it doesn't fit me well, so you might have to go a size up. Just keep that in mind. Apart from that, I really love how they both look together. Next I have another skirt with floral embroidered details that's in black and with a front zip line. Okay, first let's talk about the material. It looks like velvet and also feels like leather to me, but it's actually faux suede material, which is meant to last a little bit longer than the normal fabric. Yes, I googled it. I went to the description and googled it. That's what it says. But it's something not really thick and not really thin. It's really comfortable to wear. I am really happy that I went a size up with this one. I am normally small, but I got this in medium because I had doubt when I saw the sizes somewhere in the waistline it might be a little tight for me. You can pair this one with a crop top or a bodysuit, layering it up with bomber jacket, faux fur jacket, or even with a overcoat. And also don't forget your ankle or thigh-high boots. Okay, so talking about bodysuit or bikinis, let's start with this Ruffle Overlay one-piece swimsuit that has an asymmetrical mesh overlay in black and white. So I have been a great fan of mesh tops lately, and this one kind of gives me that royal vacation vibes. I can imagine this one with a gorgeous beach hat. I'm sitting in a yacht with a glass of champagne. Spot on. But you can also wear this as a top with high-waisted pants or shorts. I'm just wearing it as a top for this video, as not as a bathing suit. I'm just not comfortable in camera. Don't judge me. But I can definitely see myself wearing this on my upcoming vacation. So the next one is also a bodysuit, and that's what I'm wearing it right now. The coolest thing about this bodysuit, I think, is what it says in the neck and in the sleeves, and that says Love Royal. This one fits me so well. Like, there's nothing in my closet that fits better than this. And also it has a turtleneck, well, I cannot say it's a turtleneck. I'll have to say like more of a stand-up collar, whatever it is. I am just in love with this one. Like, you can tell how much I love it because I'm wearing it in the video. I would prefer to wear this more as a top than as a bathing suit. You can wear this one with jeggings, boyfriend jeans, or even with high-waisted pants like I did. And I am in so love with the shape that it creates. It's super cute and sexy at the same time. And I would love to wear this one with a baker's boy hat, an oval shaped flat sunglasses, or even maybe layer it up with jackets. Next, I have a bandeau top with a high-waisted sleek bikini bottoms. I thought this one was so unique and extra from a normal pair of bikini set. This set includes a bandeau top that comes with pads, so you don't have to worry about wearing anything underneath, and a high-waisted bottom with cami straps that is crisscrossed in the back. I'm sorry I'm not going to wear this in the video, but I'm definitely going to include a picture so that you can have an idea of how it actually looks like. Can we just talk about how unique this is from the other bikini sets? This is how it looks like. And as someone who is not really comfortable in showing too much skin, especially in the bottom, but still want to wear a bikini, I think you should go for something like this. And the color was a big yes for me. I just said in the video how much I've been loving this kind of bright color, so that was another big reason I picked this one up for myself. Okay, so next I have a floral lace-up bodycon mini dress that comes with a zipper at the back and lace-up detailing at the front with kimono styled sleeves. This one gives me more of that matured look with somewhat in between a casual and a formal look. I don't even know if this is supposed to be a casual or a formal look, but I love the material. It's so comfy and it's stretchable, plus a zipper at the back gives it a perfect fit. First, I didn't realize how the lace was just placed and I'm supposed to take them off and redo it again. And then I did it after and realized this is how it's supposed to look like. If you guys don't know, I am obsessed with bodycon dress just because it fits so well and the shape that it creates. I am definitely wearing this on a lunch day. Talking about formals, I have a blazer with belted shorts, both as a set. The interesting thing about this is that if you pair the blazer with pants, high-waisted or low-waisted, it becomes a formal outfit that you can wear in a meeting and stuff. And if you pair it with the belted shorts that comes in the set, it sort of gives you that casual look, but in a chic way. I don't even know if I'm saying this right, but if you get this, you're a babe. And the main reason that I got this is because of the fact that I can wear this in different ways. I can pair both of them with different stuff, and I can wear the shorts with another basic top, or the blazer with formal pants, or maybe a skirt. It doesn't always have to be the set that you're wearing. It's kind of like getting the bang for your buck. Okay, so I have another hoodie with two-tone graphic with asymmetrical waistline that is not straight at the bottom. This one was the first item that I added into my cart because of the unique color combo and also the asymmetrical cutoff thing going on at the bottom. I mean, it looks so cool, and also you can get a size up if you are a fan of oversized t-shirt or hoodies. It won't look bad. The sleeves are not too short, which was my concern, because sometimes you can get something online that has long sleeves. The picture looks perfect with the sleeves in the right length somewhere near your wrist, and when you actually get it, the body fits you well and the sleeves are too short, unlike this one. And as I said, you can get a size up if you like it to be oversized, but I just wanted to have that cropped look and I want to pair it with sweatpants. Lastly, I've got two tops. The first one is an off-shoulder plaid crop top with checked patterns that is not padded, but still I'm not wearing any bra underneath and still you cannot see anything, which is something I fell in love with. Next, it has a button-up closure at the front, which really helps the top to hug your body really well, and also because it's cropped, pair it with high-waisted jeans and you're good to go. Lastly, I have this crop tied striped top that is so on trend now. Love the combo. Normally I don't wear or have anything in this warm mandarin color just because I think it doesn't complement my skin tone, but I was feeling a little extra. I wanted to have that summer vibes with something like this tied up top. I might get another one in different color just because I love the style of this top so much, and I might pair it with shorts. So that was all I had to show you guys today for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you want to see more try-on haul videos like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All the links will be down below in the description box with coupon codes, any special offer that I have for you guys, including the items that I've shown you in this video. And I will see you guys next time. Love you!